Here's what the final workbook looks like. There will be 909 records used for training the model. 400 records will be used for testing. We'll begin by downloading the project map and Titanic data set from the Vanderbilt University Biostatistics department. We'll save both files into our project folder. Open the Titanic 3.csv file using Excel and save the workbook as Titanic 3.xlsx, an Excel workbook file. Create a table from the dataset. Use the Ctrl+Shift+Space keys for selection and Ctrl+T keys to make the table. Freeze the top row and count missing values in the data set using the Count Blanks function. Copy the function across all columns. Delete the non-numeric columns and non-useful values that won't be used by the model. Boat and body columns aren't useful because 1. There is a lot of missing data. 2. Everyone on a boat was a survivor, and every body was a victim. Fill in missing numeric values with averages from the column. Do this for the fair and ages group. We will deal with the missing letters in the embarked column later. Uncheck the blanks for the column to get the average value from the summary section of the status bar. Select all of the values in the fair column and get the average fair value from the status bar. Replace the missing fair with 33, the rounded number from the average section of the status bar. Repeat this process for the age column. You should see the average age of approximately 30. Delete the formulas from row 1311. Add 2 numeric columns to convert the sex and embarked columns into numeric values. Name them Sex 1 and Embark 1. Enter the formulas shown in this video in cells E2 and F2. They will copy down in the table for each row. Convert the formulas to values. Create 2 columns at the beginning of the dataset. Name them ID and random_no. These will be used for sorting the dataset. Use the random between function for column random_no. Enter 1 and 10,000 as the parameters. For the ID column, use the row function -1. Convert formulas to values in columns A and B. Arrange the columns so that the dependent column, survived, is in column C. All of the independent numeric columns will follow. When finished, you should have survived in column C. Columns D through J will have the independent values, with fair being the last column. Move the name and sex columns to C and D. Then delete the last 3 columns in the table. Then sort the random_no column in ascending order, smallest to largest. Copy the entire Titanic 3 worksheet and paste the contents into 2 new tabs. Name the tabs Train and Test. On the Train tab, delete rows 911 to 1310. You should have 909 entries on the Train tab when done. On the Test tab, delete rows 2 through 910. You should have 400 records on the Test tab when done.